Hi, I'm Colin Mcandrew from Medusa Hairdressing and I'm shooting Get the Look for EIMI today. On our model Ailey, we use root shoot to create our texture to give the hair a little bit more guts. We applied that on wet hair. Once we'd blow dried that in, using a wrap drying technique to create smoother ends of the hair. Once I'd finished the ends of the hair, I then styled it using texture touch, creating my movement and my definition within the hair. To finish our look, we use Mystify Me hairspray to create a soft hold. Thanks for watching this today, and I hope you really enjoyed learning about how versatile the entire EIMI range is.